Welcome to Like Health. You looking to boost your brain health and fight dementia naturally? In today's video, we'll explore the top 8 foods that are scientifically proven to support brain function, improve memory, and strengthen your nerves. Whether you're trying to improve focus, prevent cognitive decline, or simply enhance mental clarity, these brain-boosting foods are essential for maintaining a sharp mind. From antioxidants to essential fatty acids, we'll dive into the best foods for brain health. Get ready to discover the secrets to combating dementia and Alzheimer's. So, if you're ready to take charge of your brain health, let's begin. With us first, we have omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for brain health and play a crucial role in maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. Found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, these healthy fats are linked to improved memory and cognitive function. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect the brain from damage. Studies have shown that a diet rich in omega-3s can reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and mental diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Additionally, omega-3s support neurotransmitter function, helping with communication between brain cells. Including these fats in your diet may even improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. To get enough omega-3s, consider incorporating fatty fish into your meals at least twice a week. Now, let's move on to the next brain-boosting food. With us second, we have blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants play a significant role in reducing the risk of cognitive decline and improving memory. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries may enhance brain function and support learning and concentration. They have also been linked to improved communication between brain cells, making them a great addition to your diet for long-term brain health. Blueberries are rich in vitamin C, which further supports brain health by protecting against oxidative damage. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a delicious and nutritious snack. Including blueberries in your diet can be as simple as adding them to smoothies, cereals, or eating them fresh. Now, let's move on to our third food. With us third, we have leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in essential vitamins and minerals that support brain function. They are particularly high in vitamin K, which is known to support the formation of sphingolipids, a type of fat found in brain cells. These vegetables also contain antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting the brain from damage. Studies have shown that people who consume more leafy greens tend to have better memory and cognitive function as they age. Additionally, the high fiber content in these greens promotes healthy blood flow, which is important for brain health. Including a variety of leafy greens in your diet can improve focus, protect against mental decline, and support long-term cognitive health. You can easily add them to salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes. Let's move on to our fourth food. With us fourth, we have walnuts. Walnuts are an excellent source of healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for brain health. These nuts are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E, which helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Studies have shown that regular consumption of walnuts may improve memory and cognitive function. They also contain polyphenolic compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, helping reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Walnuts are a great snack on their own, or you can add them to salads, oatmeal, or baked goods. The high content of magnesium and vitamin B6 in walnuts also supports mood regulation and reduces anxiety. By including walnuts in your diet, you can help maintain a sharp mind and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Let's move on to our fifth food. With us fifth, we have avocados. Avocados are a powerhouse of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which help improve blood flow to the brain. These fats support brain cells and enhance overall cognitive function. Avocados are also rich in folate, a B vitamin that helps prevent the buildup of homocysteine, a compound that can damage brain cells and lead to cognitive decline. In addition, Avocados contain vitamin K and antioxidants like lutein, which protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. The combination of healthy fats and fiber in avocados also supports brain health by improving circulation and supporting memory function. They can be easily added to your diet by incorporating them into salads, sandwiches, or even smoothies. Including avocados regularly in your meals can help maintain brain health and support mental clarity. Let's move on to our sixth food. With us sixth, we have dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with at least 70% cocoa, is packed with antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress. It contains flavonoids, caffeine and theobromine, all of which have been shown to enhance brain function, improve focus, and boost memory. Studies suggest that consuming dark chocolate in moderation can improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities and overall mental performance. Additionally, dark chocolate stimulates the production of endorphins, which can help elevate mood and reduce stress. It also contains magnesium, a mineral that supports brain function and helps with relaxation. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate daily can provide a delicious way to boost your brain health. Let's move on to our seventh food. With us seventh, we have turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support brain health. Curcumin helps increase the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth of new brain cells and improves memory. Studies have shown that turmeric can help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and may even help improve symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. The anti-inflammatory effects of curcumin also protect the brain from long-term damage caused by chronic inflammation. Adding turmeric to your diet can be as simple as sprinkling it on meals, blending it into smoothies, or making a soothing cup of turmeric tea. Regular consumption of turmeric may support brain function, enhance memory, and help combat neurodegenerative diseases. Let's move on to our eighth food. With us eighth, we have eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that is essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that supports memory and cognitive function. They are also rich in vitamins B6 and B12, which play a key role in brain health by supporting nerve function and reducing levels of homocysteine, a compound linked to cognitive decline. Additionally, eggs provide high-quality protein and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress and improve focus. Consuming eggs regularly can improve memory, concentration, and mental clarity, making them an easy addition to any diet. You can enjoy eggs in various ways, such as boiled, scrambled, or added to salads. Let's move on to our ninth and final food. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new